For at the bottom of our planet lies a place few will ever walk, a kingdom of ice where the sun disappears for months. This is Antarctica, frozen, remote, and yet more alive than you would ever expect. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on Earth. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth is minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, right here in this continent. It holds 90% of the world's ice and 70% of its fresh water. If all of it melted, sea levels would rise by nearly 60 meters. That's enough to sink entire coastal cities, say goodbye to Miami, Venice, and most of Bangladesh. But even in this frozen fortress, life finds a way. Meet the emperor penguin, the only animal to breed during the Antarctic winter. They walk more than 100 kilometers across solid ice to mate, then stand still in minus 40 degrees centigrade for weeks, balancing an egg on their feet. Now that's dedication. Some of Earth's largest animals travel thousands of miles to feed in these waters. Blue whales, bigger than city buses, gulp down krill by the ton. But this magical world is changing. Temperatures here are rising faster than anywhere else on Earth. Glaciers are retreating and ice shelves are collapsing. And that was Antarctica. Raw, breathtaking, and full of surprises. Thanks for walking on ice with me without actually freezing your toes off. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and I'll see you on the next wild adventure. Bye for now.